Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals crashing on Steam. So what you have to do firstly is you're going to have to go to a Steam, obviously. Then once you're in Steam, you're going to have to click on properties. Then once you're in properties, you're going to have to go to general and make sure you have this on enable the Steam overlay while in game. Then once you turn that on, you're going to have to go to updates and make sure the game is updated to the latest version. Then once you do that, you're going to have to click on install files. Then once you're on install files, you're going to have to click on verify this game's file are installed correctly. Then once you do that, it might take a while, but it's going to verify your game. What this is doing is basically updating your game to the latest one possible. They're going to delete all the glitches and everything you're going through, and it's going to fix the problem. Most likely, while you're waiting for the game verification, you're going to have to click on browse. Then once you click on browse, you're going to have to right click on multiverse. Now, from here, make sure you have allow for every single one. So you're going to have to click on edit. Then you're going to have to select every single one. Then you're going to have to click on OK. Then once you do that, you're going to have to go on custom. Once you click on customize, you're going to have to click this option right here. You're going to have to click OK. Then once you do that, you're going to temp, right click on it, on delete, click on yes. Then once you do that, you're going to have to go back. Now wait a few minutes, your game is still verified. Just wait a few minutes. Then once your game finally verifies, you have fixed that problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.